We are spending hours and hours in the same room with working 3D printers melting plastic. We obsess over humidity and nozzle clogs, yet we treat our bodies like they're just optional accessories. You can't 3D print new set of lungs yet. Until that happens, Mintion 3D printer filtration system can help. If you are like me, your ventilation strategy usually consists of opening a window. But seriously, if you print ABS, ASA or nylon, you notice the unpleasant smell, which isn't the only thing that is released into air. There can be harmful particles and fumes also. So what is this? It's a dedicated air cleaning system designed for enclosed printers. Let's start from the unboxing and see what comes in the box. It seems that box has custom modification done by the shipping company. They have made a vent hole. You know these satisfying ASMR unboxing videos where everything slides out perfectly. Yeah, this isn't one of those. First thing you'll find is user manual, which believe or not is actually useful, so don't burn it before reading. You also get 24 volt DC power supply with power control, poof chute sealing cover, and screws and tools you need to get it attached to your machine. Taking a closer look at the build, the connector features a thick foam gasket to ensure a tight seal. The ventilation tube is flexible with 100 mm inner size and a length of about 80 cm. The main housing is 3D printed, the print quality is decent. Air outlet on the side and rubber feet on the bottom to keep it stable. To open the cover you need to push in the two red buttons and then you can lift the cover off. The latching system uses real steel springs, not 3D printed ones. That's a plus because it means they won't snap or lose tension anytime soon. Filtration system consists of 3 filters. First one is a pre-filter for the big stuff like lint and dust. Second one is HEPA filter, what captures nanoscale ultrafine particles. Third one is activated carbon filter that absorbs odors and VOCs. At the bottom we have the fan. It creates strong negative pressure to suck in the fumes. I tested the airflow with a match, which is not a smart thing to do by the way. I'm doing it so you don't have to, so please don't set your filter on fire. Installation involves 2 main steps. First, the poof chute cover. You need to seal the back of the printer so the fumes don't escape to freedom. But don't worry, your printer won't get constipation. The cover has a little trapdoor that swings open when the filament drops, then seals shut again. Simple but effective. The second step is connecting the ventilation tube to the printer. The default connector that comes with it is for Bambu Lab X1C and can be extended to H2S, H2D, P2S and other enclosed 3D printers can be also connected with custom adapters. I disconnected the adapter from the tube before installing it. It makes attaching it to the printer much easier. Once that's done, just plug in the power supply and you are ready to go. I did have one small issue where one of the screws was the wrong size, but the rest of the install was straightforward. User manual recommends specific speeds for different filaments. If you are printing high temp stuff like ABS or ASA, keep the fan speed low. If you crank it to max, you will suck all the heat out of the chamber. PLA, PTG don't need the heat, so you can use higher speeds. Once the print is done, crank it up to max for about 10 minutes. It will clean the air before you open the door. My first ASA print worked, because I had fan too fast, which cooled the chamber down. It was in the middle of the recommended speed range. Then I lowered the fan speed, increased the bed temp and also used the build plate that can handle more heat. The warping was almost gone, little bit at the one corner. The chamber held 50 degrees temp during 1 hour print. That's great. To get good results you need to tweak the settings to find out what's the best for your setup. Usually ASA stinks. With this thing running I didn't smell a thing. After print, also increase the chamber fan speed to the max. It will make the airflow even better. Noise levels at the ABS ASA printing speed are around 50 decibels. Once the printer is running, you can barely hear the filtration system fan. When printer is finished and fan speed is at the max, it's quite loud. It hits 60 decibels, but you run it at high for 10 minutes only. Power consumption at low speeds is about 3 watts and about 12 watts at full blast, so it has almost zero impact on your printer's running costs. I didn't find any major deal breakers, but there are some things. First, the power control label. The PLA PTG mark is actually already max speed. During it past that point does nothing. This power supply is not custom made, just label added. It brings down the product final price, which is good, but it's a little bit confusing. Label doesn't quite match the voltage curve. Second, the straight connector. Because it sticks straight out, you need about 16 cm of clearance behind your printer. I have most of my printers close to the wall, and many other users also. It can be a problem fitting it. Low profile 90-degree elbow connector would be nice. So is it worth it? At the time of this review, it cost around 64 euros, which is much cheaper than similar systems. Replacement filters are 22 euros and last anywhere from 2 to 6 months depending on how heavy you print. Its design is simple and compact, making it very easy to maintain. I don't have an air quality meter to back this up with data, but considering there was absolutely no smell during or after printing ASA, I can say it works. I tried to find a good meter that wouldn't break the bank, but the cheap ones had terrible reviews. I didn't see the point in buying one if I couldn't trust the readings. If you print high-temp filaments like ABS, ASA or nylon inside your home and you are on a budget, this is a great choice. It keeps the fumes in the box and out of your lungs. If you are looking for a good filament dryer that can make your print quality better, check out this review here. Thanks for watching, and may your first layer be perfect and your air be clean, and happy printing with your machine.